Hey, John Morris here, johnmorrisonline.com. So real quick, hopefully you've enjoyed the Upwork 101 tutorial up to this point. If you'd like to keep going and get and move into finishing off your profile, but also then into how to write proposals, one of the key things that I talk about in the next module of Upwork 101 when it relates to proposals is pulling out the key hiring criteria from a project and then understanding how to write your proposal in a way where you demonstrate, not just say, but demonstrate to a potential client that you meet all of these criteria so they feel like they almost have no choice but to hire you. So if you want to learn all of that, then you can head on over to upwork101.com. That'll take you to the full info page for the full course, and you can enroll over there. Also, be sure to use the coupon code YouTube at checkout for 20% off the course. So again, the URL is upwork101.com and use the coupon code YouTube at checkout for 20% off. All right, that's all I got for you again. Thanks for taking the tutorial up to this point. Hopefully we'll see you over there in the full tutorial, and thanks for watching.